Good morning students. Today we'll study about cubit and mutti and angul. These are the traditional methods that we use for measuring any objects. Okay. So first we'll start with mutti. So you know what is mutti? Mutti is fist. So in earlier days the fist was used for measuring any object. It was used for measuring the length also or the height. How the mutti was used or fist was used for measuring the height by placing the fist of one hand and the fist of another hand upon the other, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how they used to make the tower, and they use to measure the height of any object. Like example, suppose if I show you the length, if I want to measure the length, height of this bottle. Okay, this bottle, everybody can see the bottle. How I want to measure, how I can measure the length of this bottle? With the help of my fist, I will place one fist upon another. I hope it's visible to everyone. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means that is total 5 feet tall it is. So this is how people measure the object, used to measure the object in earlier days. And similarly they used angul to measure the object. Okay, so what is angul? The distance between the lines of your fingers. This is angul. Okay, suppose it is from tip to 1, that is 1 angul, then from tip to 2, then it is 2 angul, and at the last, then it is 3 angul. Can you see here? Nowadays also when we cook at home or we stitch anything at home, we measure with the help of this angul. We say 1 angul, 2 angul, 3 angul. So these are the methods that we use for measuring the object. Then there were one more method that people use for measuring the objects, like palm, a stretched palm. What is palm? Can you see the plane, this flat portion of my hand? This is palm. Now how I used to measure, people used to measure, or I also, like if I'm explaining now how I will tell you to measure with the help of the palm. So let's begin. I will start. This is one palm. The distance from here, the line, okay, till the tip of your finger is palm. One palm. Okay. So this is the distance from the tip of your middle finger till here. This is palm. And similarly, people used to measure the distance with the help of palm. Now I will come to cubit. So what is cubit? Cubit is the distance from the tip of your middle finger to your elbow. This is 1 cubit. Okay, the tip of your middle finger till your elbow is 1 cubit. So if I want to measure the length of my table, so how I will measure it with the help of cubit? Like this. 1, 2 and 3. So the length of my table is 3 cubits. When this is the distance from middle finger till end. When this is measured, I have used 3 times this cubit. Okay, 3 cubits is the length of my table. I hope children you understood cubit.